Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question that is on Geeks for Geeks practice section, count of smaller element in an array. So you can find this question. This is the URL. As you can see that this is the problem, practice problem that is in the practice section of Geeks for Geeks. So we are going to solve this question in a very beginner friendly way. First, we understand the question, what is it saying, and then we will see the approach, how we move forward to solve this, and then we will see the code. Here I am solving this question in Java language, and if you are comfortable in any other language, you can switch it from here. As you can see over here, there is multiple uh, sections. You can choose whichever ever language you are comfortable in. So now, without a further delay, let's start. So the question is, first understand the question. What is it saying? It is saying that we have to count the smaller element in from an array. Okay, so here let's see, we the array is given to us, that is a sorted array. First understand this, what is sorted array. The array which is in ascending or descending order is called an sorted array, right? So a sorted array is given to us, we have to of size n, we have to find the number of elements which is less than or equal to the given element. They will give us some element. What are the things they provide us? First, they provide us an array. First, they provide us an array. They mention the size. The array have some certain size, and they also give us an element. Suppose x. So we have to find out how many number is smaller or equal to, smaller than or equal to the given element, that is x. Right. So I hope you understand the question. Now let's see the approach. Here what we are going to do is, first let's see the example. Here this is my array, it is provided. My size is 6. Here count 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the size is 6. This is my array, and the element that is given here is 9. So we have to see, we have to find out how many elements in this array is smaller than or equal to 9. The first one is 1, 2, 4 is also smaller than 9, 5 and 8. How much element is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 element is smaller than equal to 9. So here the output is 5. Now let's see the another example. Just understand, if you understand the question properly, you can think like some of the approach that we will do here. So the array size is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now it is the array that is already provided to us. Now the element that is given here is 2. So we have to find out how many number is equal to or less than 2. So this is the first one, second one, 2 is equal to 2, right? 2 is equal to 2 again, right? And 2 is equal to 2. Total 4 number is there which is less than or equal to 2. So my output will be 4. Now what I am going to do is, if we are dealing with here an array, we will make a for loop. So we will iterate it. Array is like a box. If you want to access the element present inside that array, present inside that box, you have to open the box first. So you will use here for loop to iterate over the element, to traverse your array. We will use here for loop. So here what are the thing that is provided to us? First, my class name is compute. Here see, this is a return, this is of long data type, so it will most probably gonna return me long. Okay, here the array is given. Here two of the parameter is also here, that is long n and long x. What is this long n? This is the size of an array. And what is this long x? This is the element that is provided to us. So right, first let's make a variable to count the number of element, because we have to count the number of element, then store it, right? So when we count, so where will we store our count? How much number is there? So make a variable. So here we will make long. Why long data type? Because wait a minute, just a minute, guys. Why long data type? Because everything is long here. Just think like a very this is a very common, like a common explanation. Long count is equal to 0. I initialize it with 0. Now I am dealing with an array, so I will run a for loop. Every time this happen, for loop here, this is the basic structure of for loop. Here int I is equal to 0, and my I will be less than my size of the array, and then I plus plus. So this is my for loop. Now I will check. Now I will check. See, the array is sorted, right? The array is sorted. So sorted means if here see the this example, array sorted means it will be ascending or descending order, right? So every element will be greater than the previous one, or every element will be smaller than the previous one. This is the only two case that can happen. So here 1, so 2 is greater than 1, again 2, again 2. If it is repeating, okay. If it is not, it will be either greater than the previous one, like this, 5 is greater than 2, or it will be lesser than the previous one, right? So I have to check. So array of I, it is sorted here, so our half of workload is the workload is less here. See here, array of I should be greater than x. What is x? That is element. So now we will break here. When the element is greater than the previous one, then it will break here. Suppose if it is giving me element 2, x value 2, so I have to check that element should be lesser than or equal to 2, right? Never greater than. Here element should be lesser than or equal to, not greater than. So whenever the element will be greater than, then the loop will be break, right? So now count plus plus. Okay, now my code is complete. Here I am just going to return my count. Wait, return count na, return count. So I hope you understand this code. Here nothing is like, this is a little bit tricky, but this is actually very easy code. So I hope you understand till here. So here I'm going to compile and run this program. Let's hope there is no any compilation error in it. Yeah, the code is compiled successfully. So now I am going to submit by clicking the submit button over here. So that let's see how many test cases is getting passed out of 2003. Okay, each test cases is, yeah, every test cases is passed. So I hope you understand this question, and if you like this video or all of my previous videos, just hit the like and subscribe button, and do share this video as much as possible, guys, and do subscribe. So we will meet in next video. So let's hope you understand this one. So bye bye, guys.